Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to transfer USDT from Trust Wallet to Binance. Let's get started. First, open the Trust Wallet and make sure you have USDT available in your wallet. Tap the search icon and look for USDT and make sure you choose the correct network. Now open Binance and log into your account, then go to deposit, then go to crypto, then go to search for USDT, then select the same network you used in Trust Wallet, then copy your deposit address. Now open Trust Wallet and tap send on USDT, then paste your Binance deposit address and enter the amount and tap next. Then check the details and confirm the transfer. Make sure you have enough network fee and wait for a few minutes for the USDT to arrive in your Binance account. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.